is a comparison of Full Throttle versus NOS Charged Citrus. I reviewed both of these drinks independently and I like them both, but I wanted to compare them because they tasted similar, but even more than that, I noticed even though they're bottled by different companies, they're bottled at the exact same address. So I have a sneaking suspicion that it's the same drink, just branded differently to see which sells better. But we'll see. We got a green color, kind of like, it looks very similar to Mountain Dew. And also green color. Can't really tell the difference by looking at them. So this is the NOS. It's kind of a distinctive flavor that's citrusy, but very different from Mountain Dew or Sprite or anything. It's a very different flavor. It doesn't taste like Monster either. It's its own flavor. So that is similar, but it seems like it's more bubbly, more carbonated. And you can actually kind of tell that by looking at the glass seems to have more bubbles too, but you can taste it too. The NOS is maybe a tiny bit sweeter, and the Full Throttle is more carbonated. It's really less of a difference than between Sprite and 7-Up though. They are very similar, but not quite the same. I like them both. I might like the NOS just a little bit better. Thanks for subscribing.